Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to locate and utilize the Polaroid 3 effect on CapCut. So initially you're going to want to go to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. Once you have it there, we're going to go up to Effects, Video, and then click on Retro. Scroll down to find the Polaroid 3 effect and then click and drag it down to the timeline. We're going to skim through it to just check out what it does. Perfect. We're going to find a point where we want this effect to be applied to. I want it to be applied to when my sister misses the catch. And so we're going to just elongate this effect to fit the entirety of the clip now. And now with the effect being highlighted, we're going to go up to the Special Effects tab, and we can mess with the filter, the horizontal, rotate, size, text, and vertical of the effect. You guys can play around with these as you'd like and also add keyframes. So let's take a look. And that's the Polaroid 3 effect, guys. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.